As a significant crackdown on illegal migrants, the government of Manipur has constituted a committee for verification of illegal migrants. Dr. Sailesh Kumar Chaurasia, Commissioner, Government of Manipur, is the chairman of Kabib K IGP as the convener of the committee. The committee will verify the illegal migrants with capturing their biometrics. In this regard, the Joint Secretary Home Government of Manipur has sent a letter to the DGP Manipur. It stated that there was a report of new settlement in many areas bordering Myanmar, such as Behyang, Sajik Tampak, Molcham and other parts of the state, due to porous Indo-Myanmar border. It is felt necessary to make similar arrangement for the illegal migrants at these places, having new settlements as it has done at Kamjong. The DGP was directed to constitute a special team led by Kabib K IGP along with DIG intelligence and district police officers to identify these new settlements, capturing their photographs and videos and capture biometrics of all the illegal migrants detected. The team was directed to start the work immediately. The DCs of the district will assist the team in capturing biometrics of the illegal migrants, it added.